Take video daw din si Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas! Surprise gift daw ni Kitty Pie.
Fast delivery Amazon, 1 hour.
1 hour? Yeah, rush delivery, guys. Actually, this is only 1 hour. I shocked. What's this? Then where's your gaming console?
Tomorrow.
Why this first? Another one. So this is my first brand, guys. The Fast Track.
It's good brand from India.
Are this from India, bruh?
It's not Indian. Japanese mix.
Okay. Oh my god, it's so cute. Thank you, Kitty Pie. Give me a scissor na. To eat fast.
You're not a robot, madam.
I know what?
You're not a robot. Do it fast.
Is the one, guys. First time na mayroon akong design na ganito. Yes, and I like the color. Kahit ano, pwede mo siyang i-fit. Kahit anong damit.
Press the button.
Yeah, I checked it na. We need to sit pa, right? See? I check this.
I like the design. The
Yeah,
color
the
looks
design
really nice.
is nice. Yeah, and the color is easy to fit. Kahit anong suot mo. Yeah, you need to take one a little with Kitty Pie. It's cute.
It's very nice.
Thank you, Kitty Pie.
Where is my Christmas gift?
It's okay. I give you not too much Christmas gift.